Hey everyone, welcome to Relatively Refined. My name is Paula. In today's video, my sisters Kathleen, Patty, and I will be sharing with you our spring favorites. So stay tuned and you'll get some great ideas for some products that we are enjoying this spring. Well, if you're like me, then you will think of spring cleaning when you think of spring. And the first product that I want to share with you as my spring favorite is the Dawn Power Wash. Now, I was skeptical at first about this and thought maybe it's just a repackaged regular Dawn, which I actually really like. But this stuff is fantastic. If you have some baked on or dried on crud on your pots and pans, all you do is spray this and it comes out in a fine mist. Spray it on the pan and leave it be. Don't add water, don't do anything to it. Just let it sit there. Give it 10-15 minutes and then just rinse it off and that crud will come off like magic. Now you might need a couple of tries at it or a couple of coats of this, but I'm telling you, you will not have to scrub. It will get that stuff off like nobody's business. So my first spring favorite is Dawn Power Wash. The next thing I want to share with you are these phenomenal candles. They are by the Antique Candle Co. And they are so cute. They're packaged in these little mason jars and the smell is wonderful. I purchased Blueberry Cobbler. It smells exactly like Blueberry Cobbler. It's awesome. And Georgia Peach. And I've already been burning the Georgia Peach. And I can tell you this has fantastic throw. I'll hold this up. I'll actually insert some footage of the candles close up. They're so cute in their packaging and they're soy candles. It's a woman-owned company and I just am in love with their scents. They have wonderful throw. They also included this little sample candle. It's pineapple coconut. Oh, smells great. I absolutely love them and I love the packaging. So my second spring favorite are the Antique Candle Co. candles. And I will include a link for these candles in the description box below if you want to go online and order them. And actually the other thing I wanted to mention is that once you burn these down, you can buy candle refill kits. So you can buy the scented soy and soy wax and melt it and just refill these jars. They'll send you the wicks and the little wick holder and the scented soy wax melts and you can just refill them. So they are very eco-friendly as well as fantastic smelling. So that's my second spring favorite. And finally, for my third spring favorite, I wanted to share with you this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Anti-Aging Perfector. It is a tinted moisturizer that has SPF 20 built into it. This you can get at any drugstore. I got mine at CVS. I think it's maybe, I can't remember exactly. It's around $12 a tube, I think. They also have it at Walmart. And it is fantastic. And if you have mature skin like I do, this is wonderful. It's very moisturizing. It does not look cakey or dried on. It's not dulling. It's just a very light kind of tint to it. So I would say it's a light to medium coverage in terms of the foundation part of it. But I absolutely love this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Anti-Aging Skin Perfector. And that is my third spring favorite.
On this beautiful day, as we share our spring favorites, here's a little sneak preview to one of my spring favorites, Pussy Willows. And these are growing just down the street from where I live. So I got my snips and I picked some fresh Pussy Willows.
Hey everyone, it's Kathleen. And today I'm going to share with you some of my spring favorites. One of which you'll see in the little upcoming video clip. I just had to go down the street and get out my clippers and clip a few Pussy Willows. So we are lucky enough to have these growing just within walking distance away. And I think they are really one of the first signs of spring. Although today it feels like summer here. I'm going to use these Pussy Willows as part of my centerpiece. I deconstructed my Easter centerpiece, and I'm going to keep the vase alive. I took out the tulips that I had for Easter, and I'm going to put in some pussy willows that maybe will last a little bit longer than the tulips, and I'll share that with you. And the second spring favorite is something that is spring and summer. So what these are hydration multipliers. And we do a lot of mountain biking and walking and hiking in the summertime and the springtime. And when you're not used to being outside and having it be warm, you put this right in your water bottle. And basically it is a faster hydration than just water alone. So it keeps you a little bit more hydrated than just water. And I have to remind myself often to stop and drink water when I'm biking. But this will, this is a non-GMO electrolyte drink mix, lemon lime. You put it right in your water bottle and you take it on your bike ride with you, and it will just give you a little bit more hydration than just water alone. So those are my two spring favorites. One, I can just get that right down the street. And these I actually got at Costco, a whole big bag of them. So it should last me a good part of the biking season, especially on those warm days or when I'm first starting out and I don't have the stamina just quite yet. This will really keep me hydrated in order to prevent leg cramps and just exhaustion as I start out on the biking season. So thanks for watching.
And here's an updated centerpiece with the pussy willows featured instead of the tulips that I had from Easter, although a few of them remain in the middle.
Hey everyone, it's Patty with my spring favorites. My first favorite is a product. It is a cord organizer, and I purchased it from Amazon. It came in a 4-pack, and this was actually recommended from my sister Paula, who had not tried the product, but she saw in one of my videos, I think it was my kitchen tour, that my cords were exposed. And if you're anything like me, I just can't stand to see cords. It makes me crazy. So there is a product that will help with that, and I love this. So again, it's a 4-pack. They have an adhesive backing, and it sticks on the back of your appliance or a side or wherever. And you'll see that I am really enjoying these. I think they were about, I think a 4-pack was about $10. And I think I even had an Amazon promotional coupon. So I think it ended up being about $8 for 4 of them. So this was a great product. Another spring favorite of mine every year are the Dollar Tree seeds. These seed packets are 4 for $1. You cannot beat that. And honestly, they are great seeds. I never have any trouble starting these. Now, I don't grow all of my plants from seed, but I do generally do herbs from seed and some flowers. And the Dollar Tree seeds germinate and end up blooming just as well as any other product for a fraction of the price. And they have instructions on the back if you need them. And again, 4 for $1, 25 cents. It's a great way to bring a little bit of spring into your home sometimes in the winter when you start these. And I think they're a great product from the Dollar Tree. The third item of my spring favorites is an extendable bathroom scrub brush, which is perfect for doing one of my least favorite jobs, which is cleaning my kids' shower. It is tile and it is so hard to get into the corners. And this scrub brush from Amazon has been a game changer for me.
I think this was just about a little bit under $20. It comes with a couple different brush heads, and what I love about it is it's extendable, and it turns 180 degrees, so I can get into all the corners and around the edges, and I can also reach up high, and I can also scrub the bottom of the shower without having to get in there on my hands and knees. And it's just been such a game changer for me. That's a job that I don't love, and finding this really nice scrubber with actually has an attachment that is a full-on brush, so you can also really scrub the edges, and it's just a great product. So we'll link that in the description box, and for those of you who do not like shower cleaning, you might enjoy this.
Welcome to Relatively Refined. In this segment, we share our viewers' thrifted treasures. Today's Relatively Refined comes from Mary, who lives in upstate New York. Mary loves to thrift, and she says that in her area, she tends to find more vintage than antiques. She thrifted these lucite grapes, which I absolutely love, and I would love to find those out in the wild, as well as these beautiful pillows. Thank you so much, Mary, for sharing these wonderful treasures with us. If you would like to have your treasures featured on a video, send us an email at the address posted on the screen right now, relativelyrefined@gmail.com. Include a picture and a short description, and we'd love to include it in an upcoming video. All right, everybody, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.